Hello and welcome to this QuerySurge tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to get your QuerySurge license. To get your QuerySurge license, you will need to log into the Global Administration portal. To do so, you'll take your normal QuerySurge URL and add admin.jsp to the end of it. You will need to log in with a global admin account in order to access the portal. I'm going to log in right now using our default global admin account. Once logged in, on the left-hand side under the Global Administration tree, you'll see a section for license information. To get your license information, all you need to do is click on this tree option. Your license information includes all of the items that are configured for your particular environment, including the number of users, add-ons, and expiration date. If you receive a pop-up when opening this screen, it might be due to the fact that your license has expired or is about to expire. If you need to send your license information to the QuerySurge team to generate a new license or to take a look, you can click the Export License Info button located in the bottom right. This will export the license info information as a JSON file, which can be parsed and used by our team. Thank you for watching this video on how to use QuerySurge.